CDC data shows that 65% of Americans are fully vaccinated.
And now we're getting word of a brand new vaccine, something that protects you against COVID-19, but it's a bit different than the others. Let's check it now with Leah Shields. She has details.
Good morning. Well, you're familiar with the flu vaccine, and Vidprevtin uses a similar science behind it to fight COVID-19. Here at the Jacksonville Center for Clinical Research, they're now getting involved with the phase 3 trial, recruiting hundreds of people on the First Coast.
The vaccine is an injected protein that is harmless to you, and then the body develops the immune response. And so the protein will look like the spike protein on the SARS-CoV-2 virus.
That's Baptist Health's Dr. Shalika Katugaha. She says this vaccine has some benefits compared to the others, including that it uses a familiar science. It's also stored in a refrigerator. I took a peek at the difference at Jacksonville Center for Clinical Research.
Colder than any place on the planet.
Negative 78.6 degrees Celsius, which is negative 109.4 degrees Fahrenheit. This is what some of the vaccines have to be stored in, compared to this, a normal fridge, meaning this new vaccine is more accessible and affordable to store.
Choices are good. It'll bring down prices, gives people different options. If you're allergic to one, you can use another.
Dr. Michael Corin is recruiting a couple hundred patients right now for this vaccine trial in Fleming Island. Scientists hope this vaccine will also recruit skeptics.
Some people are still skeptical about the RNA because they consider it a type of genetic material, even though I always remind people it's not DNA.
Individuals who have been holding out or who have been uncomfortable because of the mRNA technology, well, then here we have another viable, exciting option that they might feel more comfortable getting. It's not yet FDA approved, but Dr. Katugaha explains to me that once it is, the research has shown that this can work with other vaccines. So let's say you got your first and second shot with an mRNA vaccine, you could always get this as your booster, so they're interchangeable. Leah Shields, First Coast News, on your side.